This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. All of the following features are included: a navigation system, a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, a security system, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, fog lamps, roof rails, traction control, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Come experience the Drive Baby Advantage here at the Milton Ruben Superstore.